Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a little while, but I think I'm back and videos will continue as they used to. Hopefully 3 times a week, if not definitely 2 times a week. I wanted to show you something. 12,244 comments just in the month of February. Put that up there. That's one of the main reasons I wanted to do this video. I've been thinking about it a lot because I've been reminded of it 12,000 times. What's the trend in those 12,000 comments? The majority of them are all about pricing a project, a home improvement project. This video was originally going to be about the phone app, the business phone app that I previously did a video on, and financial statements and how we're getting towards tax season and how a lot of guys just bust their butt all year round and they really have no idea how much money they're making, and the app helps you track monthly statements, your financial statements that every business needs. It's in the phone app, the Market phone app. But there's another feature that I love about this phone app, and it's a cost estimator. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Links for this app in the Android Google Play Store and the Apple, I think it's the iStore, something like that. Those links will be in the description. Go down there right now, click it, download it, put your email in, and we can do this together. We're going to go do a little market research from this phone app. You can do it from your toilet. So you hit the M, which is their logo. It opens up the first page here. Right there. Now you're going to hit the button. It's got 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner. It says more. And then you're going to click or poke Cost Estimator. And then you're going to get another thing that pops up. It may be reversed on your screen. If you're following along, you'll see this. It's taking a little bit longer to get through it. Find your way through it. Just pause the video until you figure it out and then come back. So we are going to do a quick estimate. Market research. We're new to an area. We just started our business. It's starting to get some growth, but we're not sure what we should be charging. We haven't had enough time. We haven't had 3 or 4 years of experimentation of starting low, going high, just seeing what jobs we get at what pricing. You want a good ballpark figure for a home improvement project. We're going to click installation, and then you're going to be like, oh, we're on a new website. We're on a new mobile website. HomeWise. Yes, HomeWise. It's kind of controversial to some people, but it's a reality that a lot of people are waking up to. That HomeWise is here to stay. They're marketing themselves all over the place, on TV, on the radio. Just today I was talking to my mom about some work she has to get done on her house across the country. She found her contractors on HomeWise.
I'm like, HomeWise?
Oh, but, kind of like a lot of you guys think, people who use HomeWise, blah, blah, blah. Well, times are changing. It's a good way to find someone to work on your house when you don't know who to call. And a lot of people are using that website. A lot of people are using that website to come up with pricing. The reason I use the Market app, it's just so easy to navigate straight there with 2 pokes. You hit the M, you hit the more, hit the cost estimator, and boom, you're in. No typing, no nothing. We clicked installation. Scrolling down, we're going to click flooring. Flooring, very popular home improvement project that you could get hired to do. What is one of the most popular thing here is either a pre-finished hardwood floor. Where's that other stuff? Laminate flooring. Holy cow. It's crazy how much laminate flooring is going in houses these days. But at the very top, you're going to see in red letters, a place to put your zip code. I put my zip code in. Then we're going to do square feet. Mine defaulted to 120 square feet, but I'm going to change that to 1,000 square feet, and I'm going to tap update. Boom, like that, updated. So for this job, this hypothetical job, it's not really a hypothetical job, I just did it a few months ago. The customer bought the flooring, so we are going to uncheck the line item for the cost of the flooring. Labor is the next one. Flooring job supplies. Let's see here. Cost of related materials typically required to install underlayment. The customer picked up the underlayment with the laminate flooring. We're going to uncheck that so we don't have to buy that. We got some equipment we're going to need, like a saw, tape measure, maybe even a square. There's a couple other options here that are not checked. Option, remove flooring. Could be the old flooring that was there. So we're going to check that because you usually have to remove flooring before you can put new flooring in. Then there is laminate flooring debris disposal. It's basically just cleaning up after yourself. They got a line item for it. Most customers are going to see it when they use this, so we're going to check that too. I think it automatically updates it once you check them. So this is what you're looking at. In my zip code, total cost to install the laminate flooring. On the low end, $5,700. On the high end, $13,574 for 1,000 square feet. And there's also a cost per square foot that you can get into. Now, what do you do with that number? Well, you just hit the back button once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Tap, tap, tap. Estimates, create estimate. You can enter those numbers into the estimate. There's another thing on this estimating section that I like. It's called Add Adjustment. Click that and adjust your pricing up or down, depending on maybe this person is giving you a ton of work and you want to give them a deal to kind of earn more work, keep earning their referrals, high value for the money type thing. Should we do another one? What should we do? Someone said today in the comments that they did some wallpaper removal. I'm going to go through here and see if we can find some wallpaper removal. Back in the cost estimator, I'm going to click installation, painting and wallpapering. What do you know? It's already in here. Remove door paint, remove wallpaper. Okay, got same thing. My zip code, square feet of wallpaper. Simple handyman job. See, the first thing that's checked, wallpaper removal labor basic. Wallpaper removal supplies, wallpaper removal equipment. That might be a steamer. Real simple, 3 check marks. To remove the wallpaper in that one 10-foot by 10-foot room. On the low end, $487. On the high end, $985. So where should you come in? Where should you come in between that range? That basically $500 to $1,000. You got to look at the supply and demand. How booked out are you? If you're booked out 5 days a week for the next 3 months, there's a high demand for your work. And you could add this to one of your weekends. I'd come in confident at closer to $1,000. What's it cost in your zip code to have wallpaper removed from a 10-foot by 10-foot bedroom? That's pretty much what I wanted to share in this video about the Market app and how it quickly links to the HomeWise cost estimating website, mobile website. Very easy to use. You can do it from your toilet. That's when I do it. Put your experience with this app in the comments below. What pricing did you get in your zip code? You don't have to put your zip code, but let's just see what the range of prices were. Just go, in my area it was, $200 to $600 for the wallpaper removal. And it was, $800 or $8,000 to whatever for the laminate flooring install. Another thing I'd like to hear, and as well as I know a lot of people would like to hear, is what's your experience with using HomeWise? Both as a customer and someone who works in the home improvement field. I think I'm going to do some more videos on this phone app in the future. We are getting close to tax season. Kind of panic mode for a lot of us. Thinking like, oh God, how much am I going to have to pay in taxes? How much am I going to pay in taxes? How much did I make this year? Well, I've saved this much. There's a lot that this app does that helps keep things clear. So you don't get to March or April and not know what the heck is going on with your business. Please give this video a like, share it with someone who is in this business, or even someone who's getting ready to remodel their house and you think they might need to know what things cost in their area. Goodbye.